Okay, you can now use Google Tag Manager using AI. So, like, basically what we do, like, we go to Google Tag Manager, we add any new user, we add any tags, trigger, variable. But when we use AI, it could be work like you go to your Claude and then you write something like, "Hey, can you add this user on this container?" Or like, "Can you add, let's say, scroll depth trigger for Google Analytics 4?" Or like, "Can you audit my Google Tag Manager?" So that is how you can like use without touching Google Tag Manager directly, but using your AI. So it's gonna like save your time. It's gonna make things more simple for you to like manage. If you are like as GTM expert or tracking specialist, so this is something like really you need. Okay, so let's see how you can use that, right? So, but again, first a few things I wanted to clarify here. You don't need like any paid subscription for doing this. This is completely free. In Stape, this is completely free. Also in Claude, this is completely free to use. And second, like if you are a GTM expert, so this is something actually help you. But if you are beginner, so this is something actually not I could recommend you, because like this can be make actually wrong thing. Like AI is still not enough good to like make everything correct. So if you don't understand what is what is do right or what is do actually wrong, so how can you actually measure them, right? So what I could suggest, like if you're beginner, so just use still Google Tag Manager. But for basic work, you can like do it, but again, manually check Google Tag Manager. So yeah, so what we need to do in here, like we have to just go to this blog post. I'll add this link in the video description, and then you have to just copy this code from here, right? And before we copy this code, we have to go back to here, our like go to your Stape and then click in here and then go to account settings. So once we visit in here account settings, you will see in here API key. So what do we need to do in here? We have to click in here generate API key, and then we have to like paste the API key somewhere. Let me show you. Like I'll write in here like GTM Claude, and then I just write in here like AI. And now I have to click in here create API key. So I will just create my API key. So here you can see I have created this API key, and let me now go back to Claude. So once I go to Claude, I have to go to here my account settings, and then I have to click in here settings. Okay, and then once I go back to settings, I have to go to here developer, and in here what I need to do in here, click in here edit configuration, and I can able to add in here like we can add in here new configuration. But in this case here you can say I already add a configuration in here, right? So I can like either delete this configuration from here completely, and then I'll click in here edit config. So once I click in here edit config, it will like open my Claude desktop config file. So I have to just click in here double tab in here, and here you can see we have in here some code already. So again, I'm not developer, I don't understand like about anything code. So what do I need to do? And this is very simple. Like we use in here AI again. So I just paste in here my the key in here, and then I'll go back to I'll go back to here. This is called Claude, right? I'll just first copy this code. So I'll go to Claude, and then I'll ask Claude to like let's go back to like that. Here's like and here and here it will like now provide me a new code, right? Like completely, which I can replace. So I just copy this code from here. I'll go back to here, open this JSON file, and then paste in here and make it save. That's it. I'll just close this now. So this is done. So now what I need to do in here, I have to just I have to go back to Claude. I have to wait Claude and reopen the Claude. So I'll just click in here. So here you can see I have like just close the Claude and then reopen the Claude, and then it will like redirect me on here. So I have to actually log in the log in my account with the Google Tag Manager. So I just click in here, select all, and then I'll click in here continue. So once I click in here continue, it will like here you can see authorization is successful. You may close this window and return to the CLI. So I'll go back to here now, and then I'll now ask Claude like, okay, how many Google Tag Manager account I have? Like, hey, can you check how many GTM account access I have. Just only provide me the number, not account name. I just ask the Claude like, okay, can you check my Google Tag Manager how many account access I have, and it should be now provide me the answer after auditing my all of this Google Tag Manager account. So if I can do that manually, I have to go to Google Tag Manager and then see each account manually. But in here, it's gonna take some time. Like I have to click in here, roll on to use GTM account for Google Tag Manager MCP, allow, and it's going to like audit, and here you can see this is provide me the answer 97, right? So this is something like which could be like this is very basic use case, I could say. So you can use more advanced stuff like adding tags, remove user, add user, and more. So yeah, that is how like we can use any AI to automate our Google Tag Manager, and we have to be very like aware about that, because like this is something now become very crazy. Anyway, so yeah, hopefully this video helpful. But if you're not understand anything, just go to this Stape documentation, read this documentation, and again, if you don't understand anything, just go to my LinkedIn and directly DM me if need. Thanks for watching this video, and yeah, thank you.